Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Venu 3S and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. Before we start, you can pair this watch with an iPhone in two ways. The first way is to do it through the setup process of the watch. So basically if the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings. And the second way is to do it through the settings after the watch has been already set up, because you can set up the watch without connecting it to a phone. Okay, and first I'm gonna show you how to do it through the setup process, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the settings. Now let's continue with the pairing. First thing you will need to do is to turn on the watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the action button. Keep holding the button until you see the Garmin logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait. And after the watch turns on, you will see the hello message on the screen. Once you see this message, tap on the screen to continue. It will open the list of languages, and you can scroll through this list by swiping on the screen. Find the language you would like to use on your watch, tap on it to select it, and as you can see now we're being asked if you want to pair it with a phone. We want to do it, so tap on the check mark to confirm, and you should see the QR code on the screen, which means that the watch entered the pairing mode. Now you can open the App Store on our iPhone. Before we continue, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, tap on the search bar and type in Garmin Connect. Once you type in Garmin Connect, you should see this application on the list, Garmin Connect by Garmin. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the Get button to download and install it. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the Open button to open it. In the app, you may see the pop-up about the Bluetooth. This is required, so tap on the OK. Next, we need to log into a Garmin account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on Create Account button right here. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap on Sign In, check the box, and tap Next. Then enter the email address and password, and then tap on Next to continue. Once you log in, you may see the pop-up about the notification permissions. This is required if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. If you don't care, you can deny it. I'm just gonna allow it for the sake of the video. And after that, the app should detect your watch automatically. If it doesn't, you can basically press the back button to go back to this page, then tap on the check mark to re-enter the pairing mode. And after that, the app should detect your watch automatically. Once it does, tap on Connected, tap on Pair, allow or deny the permission for the notifications, then tap on Next. Here we can set up the sleeping schedule, basically when you go to bed and when you wake up. This is useful if you want to use Do Not Disturb mode during sleep and track your sleep, basically. If you want to edit the sleeping schedule, tap on Edit, and here you can tap on Bedtime to change the time on which you go to bed. Then you can tap on the Wake Time to change the time on which you wake up. And then you can also select or check or uncheck the days, basically, to select the days on which the schedule should be active. And once you're done, you can tap on Done. Then tap on Next, select the preferred wrist. You can edit the goals or keep the default goals. If you want to edit them, tap on Edit Goals, and basically adjust the values to your liking by tapping on the box and changing the value to something else. Okay, then tap Next. Allow or deny the permission for the location. This is required if you want to track the your workouts on the map. So for example, you went for a run and you want to check the route on the map, you need to allow the location permission for this. If you don't care, you can deny it by tapping on Skip. Next, we have the calendar access. This is useful if you want to track the calendar events and stuff like that on your watch. If you don't care, you can skip it and keep it denied. And then we have the phone permissions. You can allow it or deny it. And once you're done, you can tap on Sync Now, Finish, And here we have a tutorial how to use the watch, and you can go through it by tapping on next. I'm just gonna tap on skip. Now we can add the Wi-Fi network, so basically you can connect your watch to the internet. If you want to do it, tap on add network. If you don't, you can tap on set up a Wi-Fi later. Let's do it for the sake of the video, so tap add network. Once you see the list of networks, select one you like, and then enter the password. And tap next. Then tap next. Finish. On the watch you will see this message. Basically you can go through the tutorial again. I'm just gonna tap on X to skip it. And you should be able to use your watch at this point. And if you tap on more Garmin devices, you should see the Venu 3S on the list of devices, and you can tap on it to open the device page for it. Okay, so that's how you pair the watch during the setup process. Now I'm gonna remove it from our iPhone. Okay, and now we're gonna pair it through the settings. To do it, wake up the screen on your watch by pressing any of the buttons, then press and hold the back button to open the menu. Now tap on the settings option to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the system and tap on it. Here find the connectivity and select it, and then tap on pair phone. The watch will enter the pairing mode. You can download the application, install it, open it, log in of course, and once you log in, the app will detect your watch automatically. But if you have the app already installed, you can simply open it, tap on more, Garmin devices, and add device. And the app should detect your watch automatically. Then you can tap on connect it, and basically do the same steps as we did before. So pair, and the permission for the notifications. Next, sleeping schedule, preferred rest, goals. And sometimes you'll need to go through the permissions again, but we already allowed them, so we can skip, or rather sync now, then finish. And the tutorial, you can add the network. I'm gonna skip for now. Finish. And the watch should be here at the top, and if you open the Garmin devices, it should be here on the list, which means that devices are connected. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.